primer, paint, backsplash, countertop. Here we go. Remember, if you find value, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Really helps a girl out. Enjoy the video. What can happen when I go to work and come home to the trailer? Like I said, it's hard keeping up with him. Yesterday he finished this color, this darker gray, which we've done the cupboards. Okay, so he's got the fridge back in, and I'll show you a piece right now. He's refacing the front of the fridge from wood to this piece of metal. He's got contact cement on both sides. Said he has to wait 15 minutes for it to dry. And he's going to put that on. It's his practice piece before he does the countertop. So he's extended the countertop all the way. This is where the stove used to be. We're going to have more storage under here. And we picked up a piece of black, what do you call it? Arborite countertops. And that's what we're going to put on here. I got to show you guys the deal I got. We went to Home Depot yesterday, and there was a piece with a corner off of it. And the guy asked me if I was going to use the whole piece. And I said, no, we're going to break it up into two pieces. He ended up giving me a super deal. We're going to use the Arborite or Formica, whatever it's called, on the countertop, as well as the table that goes in here. We did talk about Dan creating a table, like making a table out of wood, but we scratched that idea. We picked up all the screws yesterday also at Home Depot, as well as spray bomb. He's going to put all new screws when we put the window trim back in. It's outside being spray painted right now. And then he's going to put all the new screws outside. I'll show you right now. All of these old screws here are going to be replaced with new screws on the seams. And also, he painted the base black. He painted the sides here. The corners, I should say. It was all wood here. The people that had it before us built this add-on in the bottom. There's extra storage under there. And then over here, we're spray painting all of the window trim. So there's just a whole bunch of stuff going on. Okay, here it is. It totally changed it. It looks awesome. It looks great, babe. Woo! A brand new fridge. That's great. Way better than the wood. This is the deal I got. Was $89, got it for $39. $50 off. Boom. Oh. Black counter, black table.
The good wrong though. I just need a hair off this corner.
I'm really excited now. I have to just see how this looks. The back. Whoa. Flash. This is going to be more modern than our house. This trailer.
I had two so you can go this way, but I don't want to go that way. I'm going to go this way. Watch out a sec. Hold on. I'm helping you for the video.
He's helping me for a video. Oh yeah, that's the backsplash. That's gonna look hot. Yeah, awesome. This is the old tabletop. I just pulled it off the board. I can show you. It looks like we're gonna have lots of this left over because it'll only take that little piece to do it. So this is the next day. I'm spray painting some of the trim for the vents. And I started painting cabinet doors. I'm just taping off the info sheet for the trailer. I'm going to keep that original. 1980. Okay, I think last time I filmed anything was when I went to go pick my boys up and I left Dan for those few hours. He's gotten quite a bit done in here. So today is another day, another project. I have all the cupboard doors out there. I'm finishing painting them and I'm spray painting all the hardware. But I should turn this around to show you because the backsplash and the countertops are done and it's super exciting. Da da da! The backsplash. Everything just looks so good. The countertop turned out great. Look at it. Oh yeah. He's going to put some black caulking around the bottom and then he's going to put a bit of trim up the top here. But the faucet is just the perfect size for in here. We were worried, you know, buying stuff online on Amazon, you can't really see it in person, but it's perfect. So we're real happy. So I'm really liking the paint, how that turned out. The walls and the ceiling are a light color and then the cupboards are a bit of a darker gray. He's installed all the trim that we spray bombed. We also spray painted the vent covers black, which turned out real good. We refaced the table with that arborite. We had so much left over. It turned out really good. Oh, and the hay yawl handle I picked up. And of course the fridge. He hasn't put the holding tank, the water holding tank back in, but we're going to install the water pump this weekend, I think, and I'll clean out the holding tank with vinegar or something natural. Ooh, Dan's been fighting with this thing, so the power center doesn't work, the wires don't work, so he's going to come up with his own power center with a USB hole and stuff once he gets this out. Anyways, I'm going to go outside and finish painting. We spray painted the light covers too, so all the stuff on the ceiling will be black. I'm really happy we did that because that yellowing on those originals were horrible. Just put a coat on the drawer here. I forgot all about the drawer and I forgot to put Kills in the bottom. Or we used Bullseye, whatever it is. I forgot to put that in the bottom, so here it is. The only drawer in the camper.